it drives pretty straight. I think I'm going about 50 right now. We're stuck behind a semi-truck, but not too bad. I got a little bit of vibration, rattles coming from my center console and my sunroof. But other than that, this thing's pretty good, pretty well sealed, doesn't rattle too bad. I'm sure the camera's picking up whatever's vibrating under the dash pretty hard, but in real life, it ain't too bad. Pull over here and I'll do a 1, 2, 3 maybe. Alright. So this is Fernley 95A Motorsports Park. Just right around the corner from my house. Flip around here. This is the road I use for test driving. Okay. Got a truck coming. I'll wait for that truck, but let's see. Not bad. Seems to be running pretty good. I got 2 cars coming and a white truck. As soon as those guys pass, I'll get going here. Too bad. I mean, I only got it up to 85, but I got traffic. Drives pretty smooth going 85 though. I don't have my hands on the wheel right now. But it's pretty nice. I'm really happy with how this car's running to get down into 5th. Seems like I got the KA running top shape. Yesterday I adjusted the TPS. The TPS was reading like 6 ohms at idle and wouldn't even read at full throttle, and it's supposed to be 10 ohms at idle and 2 ohms at full throttle. So I reset the TPS and then readjusted the timing. So I think because my TPS was so far out of adjustment, when I would unplug it, the computer would not go into the timing mode or the diagnostic mode that it goes into when you unplug TPS. So to do idle air control valve or adjust timing, you have to unplug TPS, start the car, and it'll be in this limp mode. So I think because my TPS was so poorly adjusted before, it was never going into that mode. So now I got the TPS adjusted. I then started the car up, warmed it up, shut it off, restarted it with the TPS unplugged, and I timed it, and my timing was about 10 or 11 degrees before top dead center, and it's supposed to be 20 degrees, so I was way retarded on my timing, so it was underpowered. So now it's nice and now it's right where it needs to be. It seems it's running real nice, and it's running pretty smooth. The only other problem is I don't have a thermostat in this car, so as I drive it down the road it cools itself off, but all in all, it's running real good. It runs smooth. Should probably get some tires on this and balance the wheels and check the alignment, but it does drive straight. I'm pretty sure one of my wheel bearings is going bad. Every now and then when I tap my brakes, I can feel the pedal go soft, and then I tap it again and the pedal goes tight, and usually that's the cause of a bad wheel bearing pressing the pads out. And I'm pretty sure I checked my rear wheel bearing once upon a time and it was going bad. I do have a spare, I just haven't put it on yet. So this thing runs. This thing's awesome. I am extremely excited with just how this car has. I'm extremely happy where this car started and where we're at now. I mean, it doesn't get much better than this. I love it. So drives real smooth. It's real comfy. I'm just putting it around right now. I'm gonna go get some soda, but I think think that's pretty much it for this car. I still have to figure out how to clean the dashboard off. The dashboard has some blue overspray, and the center console still does have some blue on it. But the only pieces left to put on are the hood and headlight covers, I think. And this is a pretty much finished car. This has been a long journey, and I'm just so happy to have it finished. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.